Look now at Ethereum, right? ETH USD. So I'm gonna head to the monthly time frame and start analyzing from here. So if we look at this, we're basically uh, about 4 months, right, in the same range, right, between uh, the highs of 4,093, but we're inside the same range over here of around 3,000 to 300, 3,700 basically, right? So what, what are we looking for next, right? Now, if we drop down to the weekly time frame, we see that, we had basically following structure, right? We made this high, we pulled back around this level of 3,000, and then we retested this previous highs, right? It would be interesting to look at Ethereum making a new higher low and then eventually breaking above both of these highs and following the same structure to the upside. But we don't control the market, and it's I don't think it will be the case, and I'll explain why. So if we look here, this weekly time frame, we see that we have a level of this area of interest is a level of resistance, right? So resistance and resistance over here, all right? So it's a good sign because every time price comes here, you can act on basically two directions, right? Either price is going to reverse and push back again, or we're going to break, and then wait for that retest to move up, right? But where are we now? So we're at 3,300 right now, and I do believe, but just gotta wait for the market to move, that we're possibly gonna come down to this area again and collect some more orders. All right, and this will be a good sign for you to maybe make a decision right towards this area. If we drop down to the daily time frame, we see that we're trading below the moving average, right? So the moving average is a blue line over here, and we're trading below the moving average. And what it looks like to me, and I'll explain further, is that we're doing lower lows and lower highs, right? And all the time we're just respecting this moving average. If we're respecting the moving average, this means that we're going bearish, which means we're coming down, just like you see here on this arrow, right, pointing the direction. We are coming down, and if we start trading above the moving average, we are going bullish or we're going up. All right, so this is just one of the indicators that I believe we're gonna push down a little bit more, and then from that moment forward, we would start to look at maybe entering a position right around 3,000. So with Ethereum, I would just stay within you know the levels of the market structure, actually, of going bearish, because we are not making any signs of any bullish move, right? If we break above this level over here, would be interesting to look at again this clear range, you know clear range over here. So to the upside, and then looking for a $3,700, right? So this is Ethereum for the moment. If we drop down to the 4 hour, same thing, structure looking bearish. Also, I don't drop to lower time frames other than the daily, because prices just fluctuates a lot, and sometimes you can get confused. Like something like this, you will start to think that we are going up, right? But then suddenly price just drops and starts making lower lows and lower highs, and every move that you look on the lower time frame, on the actual daily or weekly time frame, will look like different, right? So let's keep an eye on Ethereum, this is just an update on the price and what I believe could happen, right? So let's stay tuned for the next update, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.